Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Engine Kings. We are the LS Engine Kings from Proformance Unlimited. We build one badass engine here. This happens to be our LS427 625 edition. Check out the numbers. Made some great torque, great horsepower. Every engine is custom built to order the way you want it to look. You will receive one perfect engine the way you exactly how you want it, and you can't get any better, can't get any easier. Give us a call. Peace. Hey Kyle, I got your 55 Chevy Bel Air engine here. Happens to be our LS427. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. Nice, come up on our high RPM and come down to our RPM for one. There we go.
That's raw. Beautiful oil pressure, air bars are perfect.
Oh man, these are awesome, these 427.